This is the Disaster Recovery Center, and yes, we have things set up here for volunteer and donations. You can call the donations line that we have set up through our 211 and Jim Bradshaw, or you can call the 1-800, I believe it's 362 FEMA number to register to get a FEMA number. But it's basically set up like a one-stop shop. We have the Georgia Emergency Management Agency here, we have FEMA here, we have all of our local agencies like our building inspectors, our health department folks are going to be here, or actually environmental health is going to be here to answer questions about well water or anything that people might have. We have 211 here, the Salvation Army, local Salvation Army, and the Red Cross is going to have a representative here. So what this is set up for, so people can come in, get their register with FEMA up front, come through the line, get all their needs met, and get all their questions answered. And then whenever they leave, we're going to have some donations there and some care packets to give them whenever they leave the building. So we're hoping we'll be able to meet everybody's needs and get everybody on the right track. But a lot of the volunteer and donations, we're starting to draw down on a little bit of it. We've had so many come in that at first we were overwhelmed, and it took us about a day to get control of it. But I think we got control of it now. But a lot of people are going to get individual helps like through church organizations and things like that. So we're probably going to start scaling back a little bit on the donations and the volunteers. And a lot of the excess stuff we have, we'll check with our surrounding counties and see if they want us to send some of it up there to them. But the people in Floyd County have been wonderful, wanting to help and donate. It's been really good. I hope everybody registers and gets a FEMA number and come by. I want to let everybody know that this is not just for the storm victims in the Cave Spring area. This is for anybody that sustained any damage the morning before from the straight line winds and this. Those are the two events. There was a morning event and there was an afternoon event with the tornado. So we're hoping that this is going to everybody to register and come in. This is not just for tornado damage. This is for those people that had the straight line wind damage also.
I work with the COAD, Community Organizations Assisting in Disaster. That's the former Rome Cares that people will be familiar with from the Katrina response. I'm here at the Disaster Recovery Center, where people, after they've called the FEMA application 800 number that I'll give you in one moment, will come. We open tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock, and it'll be open 8 to 5, 7 days a week to serve people in the affected area. Here are the numbers you can call. The FEMA disaster assistance number is 1-800-621-FEMA, F-E-M-A. That's 1-800-621-3362. This is where people will apply for disaster assistance. You'll need to give them the address of your damaged home. You'll be prompted for information that you have to share, and you need to complete that information before bringing it to the Disaster Recovery Center. Its local number is 706-291-5144. That's the Disaster Recovery Center, 706-291-5144. It's right across from Barron Stadium. You'll be able to apply and be processed. And in this center, there will probably be 15 to 20 organizations such as Department of Family and Children Services, Highland Rivers, Legal Services, Salvation Army. I will be set up as the 211 director, and when people have been determined their need, we will be able to refer them to local organizations and ministries. And we're thankful for people's help. There's been a tremendous outpouring in our community,